Daniel here, and now I'm in my home city Mo i Rana. It's good times. So you can see back here there's lightings everywhere. Tinka på plats, hopp, 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 leg. So I just wanna wish you all a Merry Christmas, happy time. Here we have a Christmas tree right behind us here, as you can see. It's pretty big and awesome. So it's my Mo i Rana here with my dog Tinka, not my dog but a friendly dog, we are friends. And good times. So it's been a good day, been hanging out with some friends, get some prophetic words, that was really cool. And it's just been really fun prophesying over people. The other day I had a guy I was prophesying over for 15 minutes and then said, oh, can you do it again? I forgot to record. And then I had prophesied again for 15 minutes and then it's like, oh shoot, I didn't press the record button right. And I had to prophesy the third time. And so that was by the grace of God, it worked out, so that was fun. Except from that, I'm just here in Mo i Rana, chilling out, having fun, relaxing, and it's vacation time, so it's good to spend time with family and friends and just hanging out. So I really love that, and it feels really good and natural to be here. It's fun. Some lighting in the back. It's not like the USA, you know, but it's cool though. It's a lot of Schwab's Take the Freedoms. Yeah. So it's fun. So I just want to wish everybody a happy holiday. Take care, spend time with your family, and most of all, spend time with God, because that's really important. So yeah, take care and be whacked and joyful. Schwos.